Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So basically today I'm going to show you guys how to design a unique online banking website. So you can see the online banking website. It has different themes. So I'm going to show you something first. Just hold on a bit. So I want to show you something. Okay. So you can see this is another color of the online bank. I see it looks like here. You can see, and when you change the color from the admin, it can also look like this. Right? You can change the color from the admin, and it's going to give you this color. This looks here. So basically, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Also, in my third tutorial, I'm going to be giving out a free source code. So you can download it. Just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching so you'll be able to get access to that source code, because the code will be given out during the process of every single video I'll be doing from now to the third video. I'll be calling each code, so you have to keep watching in order for you to get complete code to get access to the free script. So stay tuned, remain blessed, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more videos. So you can see this is the script. Look at it looks like. So this is how it looks, the online banking will look like. So we're going to click on open an account. Let me see. So you see the process of opening an account. So currently I have an account already, but I will just really show you all the processes. You can see how the banks look like. So I'm just going to call. So I'm just going to put all random stuff. Well, there's no point creating an account, so I just want to show you the interface of creating an account. So you click on checking, you have a pin. Let me see, there is 1 2 3 4, right? I'll click on next, and I'll put my username and my password. I'm done creating an account. That's how you create an account. So basically I'm going to do that already. I'm going to do that because I already have created an account. So basically, once you visit the admin, this is the admin panel of the script. So we have a lot of stuff. We have a dashboard, manage user, create a user, and the rest. So basically I'm going to go on manage user. We even have different visual card. We have a virtual card. Now I'll go back to that so you see what I'm talking about when I'm talking about a virtual card. So now we're on the user end. So I'm going to log in as this user, right? Okay, let me just log in as this user here, this guy here, and see. You can log in as any user from the admin panel if you feel like logging in as a user. So that's what I want to do. I want to log in as a user. So it's taking me now to the dashboard directly, right? So you can see how the interface looks like. Lovely. So this is my balance in USD, right? I can try to just turn off my balance so you're not going to see my account number and the rest. So basically I want to go back. I want to show you something special so you see how it looks like. I just want to show you. Let me not log in with this user. This user did not set any password. Let me log with this user. The user did not set up a pin when logging into his account. So basically, I want to log in this one and see this user particular set up pin when logging into his account. So let me just click here and proceed. So this, what you're seeing now is the admin panel of the stuff. And okay, basically, it looks like. Let me just go back. Sorry. Let me go back. I want to show you guys something spectacular before we move to the next thing. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Stay tuned and remain blessed. Also, just like I said earlier, I'm going to give you a free script, so you have to watch the video. I'm calling the figure one after the other enough for you to unlock that stuff. So let me click on preference. Let me click on KYC. No. Let me verification. No. Let me go to that user again. Let me see. Everything's up and doing. So I just want to show you something. I want to show you guys something before I move to the next thing. Well, I don't know why it's not taking me to that page now currently, but I would love to see that page. So you see how it looks like. So it says it looks like. I don't know why it's not taking me there, but that's what I want to show you. But I've not seen the stuff. Okay. Basically, the reason why you're not seeing it because I'm logging in from the admin. I'm logging in from the admin. So what I'm going to do now, you're not going to see that. Let me reset this password. I just want to show you guys something. So that's the password I break. And what's the email? Hopefully I forgot to check that. Let me just see again. The password is user 01236 01236. Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry about the delay and the rest. I just want to check something. you see this is email, right? So you can actually generate transaction for the person also. You can see I can generate a minimum amount, maximum amount, dates and all for the individual, number of transactions to be generated. So I can just say this transaction should be 6, 7, blah blah and the rest. So let me, but that's not what I want to show you guys. It's something okay. If it does not work this time, I'm just going to continue what I'm doing. So so now you can see, you see I will set the password to the default password, right? So this is the email, right? And the password is user 01234556, right? So let me just go to an account. Let me click here. It's going to take me to the current one, current design. Hold on a sec while it's load. Okay, so I'll call this okay, that's it. User 01236, I think that's it, right? I think it's 01236. Okay, this is what I want to show you now. You see the way it's loading. That's for a pin. Look at how the pin looks like. Let me show you in the desktop view. So you see how lovely this user interface looks like. So you know, for phone view, this is how it looks like a phone view. Okay, let me show you iPhone 7. So this guy look like an iPhone 7. You can see. So I can just put my pin 1 2 3 4. Scroll down and verify pin. Boom. So you can see I'm in, right? So I'm in already. Hold on for a second for it to open. You can see how it looks like, how the thing looks like on your phone, but I'm not going to show that again. So this guy looks like on the laptop. So this is what I want to show you guys. You can see how it looks like now basically. So this is how user interface is going to look like. Let me take a snapshot of this. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you guys how to design this right now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Stay tuned and remember. So let's get started. So first thing you need to do now, you need to get your cPanel, right? So currently I already have my cPanel. I don't know if you know what's called a cPanel. If you don't know what's called a cPanel, you can go and search on YouTube on how to get a cPanel or hosting, or and also how to get a domain. So you get domain and hosting, or get domain and a cPanel. And once you're done getting it, you're going to upload your file there. So this is my control. This is my file, my control panel, which is my cPanel. Now I've gotten a cPanel already. So the next thing for me to do is for me to upload the source code, right? So after you got your cPanel, you want to upload your source code. You go to your file manager. Now don't bother about that source code. It is if you need the source code, just come to my DM. Yeah, that's just it. It's not free though. So check my number on the screen. You can see my number on the screen. So let's continue. So once you get this particular folder, you're going to see a lot of files, but you're going to see a file called public_html. This file, once you open this file, that is where you're going to upload the source code. But currently I'm not going to upload my here because of I want to upload in a subfolder. I don't want to use this particular folder to do that. So I'm going to click back here. I'm going to look for that folder, right? This is my folder. Then I'm going to upload it to this folder which I created. So currently I've already uploaded the file there. Yeah, so you're going to you're going to upload your file there. This is the file. You're going to upload a file. Let me just delete everything in this trash. All you just need to do now is for you to this env file. Take note of this env file. So I'm going to just open this and I'll tab. Then I'll click here. Then I'll scroll down. Hold on for it to just load up. Then I'll scroll down. Now type database. And you create your database. Now just for my database anything at all. But I'm not going to upload the data there because I've done that already. I'm just going to show you how to do that. So you just create database. Same thing. I want you to give the same name so you will not forget the database. So you have reached your maximum error of database 15. Yeah. But you're going to create a database. Once you're done creating your database here, use same name like this, and put it there and put it there and create. Once you're done creating, allow privilege. After that, you go to your phpMyAdmin. You come to this part here. Yeah, come to this part there. Actually, I've reached 15 database. That's what they said. So I've created the maximum number of database I can actually create. I guess I delete one or two. So basically, yeah. So this is database now. If once you create a database, you see it here. You click on database. You click on import. You select the database file. You see it on the script or the source code. You import your database file. You don't import the database file. Once you don't import it, look for it in your laptop. Once you don't import your database file, you save, import it, you save, you copy your database name, which your username and password. Once you don't copy your username and password, you go back here. Remember, you go back to your env file, right click, edit your env file. Now you can edit, click on edit, and now you're going to see hold on a sec. So you put the database username and database password and save change. That's all. Once you're done doing that, boom, you can visit your website and your website will be up and running. You don't need to do any other thing. You're done. But remember, the one thing you need to do also, you need to check your PHP version of your website. At times your website may not come up because they will not change your PHP version to the right PHP version. So for this website, the PHP version is 8.2 or 8.1. Any of them, just come here, search for PHP. You see PHP version here. Then you will then see you're going to see a place to select the PHP version here. So select the version and just hold on a bit so it to load up. So you're going to click save point, click on the PHP version, select it, and that's all. And apply. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, stay tuned, remain blessed, and the code for today is 0.